Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install Bluestacks on your Windows 10 operating system. So let's get started and let's see how we can install Bluestacks on our Windows operating system. So just open your favorite browser and search for Bluestacks, and the first result which will appear here will be from bluestacks.com. So just click on this website link here, and then straight away you will see a download Bluestacks button here in the middle of this web page, or you will see this download button at the top also. So you can click any of these buttons to download Bluestacks exe file. So you can see this exe file will be downloaded really fast because it's a relatively small executable file. So I'm going to just click on this executable file, and then I'm going to just minimize the browser. So let me just minimize the browser, and you can see the first window which will appear here will look like this. So now as you can see here you can see the install now button, and also you can see the customize installation button here. So I'm going to just click on the customize installation button, and once you click on the customize option, you will be able to see this kind of option. So here you can choose in which folder you want to install Bluestacks on your Windows operating system. So by default this is the location where Bluestacks will be installed, but I want to change this location, so I will change it to some other location other than my C drive. So I want to install Bluestacks on my E drive, let's say. So I will just choose my E drive and then click on OK. So Bluestacks now will be installed in my E drive, and then if you are happy with your settings, then you can just click on install now button, and you can see it will start the download of all these files. The installation of Bluestacks takes a few minutes to an hour depending upon the speed of your internet, because it downloads too many files from internet. So I will wait for this download to complete. And now I can see the installation process is going on after the download of the Bluestacks files. And now I can see this Bluestacks icon here on my Windows desktop, and also I can see this Bluestacks multi-instance manager icon on my desktop. So there are two icons which are created by Bluestacks on my desktop, and now also you can see it's saying starting Bluestacks, please wait. So I will wait for the startup to complete. So now for the first time when you start Bluestacks on your Windows operating system, it's going to give you this kind of window which will ask you to sign up into your Google Play Store. So for now I will just click on I will do later, but if you want to use this regularly, then you might want to sign in with your Google account into Play Store. So I will just click on I will do it later. So now you can see I have already installed Bluestacks on my Windows operating system, and then I can just start playing the games of my choice on Bluestacks. So if you want to play any game, just click on the play game button, sign in with your Google Play account, and then you can download the game and play the game. So this is how you can download and install Bluestacks on your Windows 10 operating system. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.